Hello. In this session, we will see how we create a switchboard menu. There is a function called switchboard manager in MS Access database. Basically, it helps control the forms and reports from a menu bar. It's an example. See how it looks like. Just click this hyperlinked access MS Access. You see here, this is called main switchboard. You can click any of these buttons and it will take you to a form or a report or a submenu. This is taken to a form and you can close it. You can go back to the submenu, main menu, and enter this one. It takes to another submenu. You can click here and you go to the form. You close here, you can get into main menu. Suppose if you have reports, you can put all the reports together at one in menu and go back to the main menu. So the switchboard will have a main menu, and then it's called main switchboard, and then under that main switchboard you have several clickable forms or reports menus, and then under the further, if you click, you can directly either we have a form or further submenu. So we can create this kind of switchboard, and then if you want to exit, say exit database, so all these functions you can manage it, and it looks professional to maintain a database front end. So let us see how we can create a switchboard menu in the Access. First, let us have a view of what we want. For example, we want to have a menu like this. We have main menu. In that main menu, there are 3 submenus. So this submenu will have again a form to enter the data. There are another submenu. Under that, we will have another form linked to it. And then we have reports menu where we have 3 reports, for example, we link it. So if you click this one, you should open a form. But if you click this one, you should go to here. If you click this one, you should go to here. If you click this one, you should go here. And then we have 3 options. So you can add any number of forms and reports in this switchboard. So let us use one of the existing databases to create switchboard menu. So I have a hyperlink here. This will take to existing database. So what is shown here is again this menu. It has all the required forms or reports. To click, for example, this command button, it gives you a form. Okay. Again, you can enter the data, it close the form. Then if you open this one, it is opening again another menu. So which has again data entry options. Then you can close it. Again, you can close, you go to this menu. Okay. And for example, if you click this one, it takes another menu. If you open this one, so all these functions are there available already. But now what we do is extra to make this form appear in a more professional way. So it requires a command that is called switchboard manager. By default, it is not appearing in any of these tabs in ribbon. So we can add this one. Either we go right mouse click, customize ribbon, or file, go to file and options. So you will find here customize ribbon, and then you have all the commands here, so whatever you want to add. So let us take all commands. So in the all commands, you will find this particular command, that is switchboard manager. So come to yes. So you see here switchboard manager, this one. So we want to put this particular one here. So we have this different tabs. So we'll create one more tab, and under the tab we'll put this command. Okay. Now to create a tab, so you have here on the right side, you see here the pop-up, and then you say create a new tab. So let us put the icon here and say new tab. So it is creating a new tab, and then let us rename this new tab as switchboard. Okay. So okay. Then under the new tab you have group, new group. So now you add under the new group, just add. It is giving you switchboard manager command. So now say okay. Now it is saying it's not existing, so should we create? Say yes. Say you must close and open databases, but it gives you here an option here, switchboard. Okay, when you click on this switchboard tab, you find here switchboard manager command, and then it's saying switchboard manager is in find. You say yes. So then it gives a pop-up to us. Now here, what we see here is the main switchboard. So this is main switchboard. What we need is we need to add the other switchboards. This is the main switchboard. We'll add three switchboards what we have seen before, what we thought to put it. See this one. So we'll create products menu, design data menu, and reports menu. These three menus will create. So let us come here, say new product data menu. So this is one menu, and then we'll create a new another one, design data menu, and then create a new one, say review reports menu. So we have the main switchboard, and then design data menu, product preview menu, preview reports menu, and product data menu. So if you come now next step is we open this main switchboard, and under this main switchboard we have to link each one to these forms and reports we want to open. Okay, now under the main switchboard you say new here, and then it opens a pop-up which says okay, new switchboard command. We have to give a command. What command it will do? It has to go to switchboard, it has to open the form. If we drop down, see here, it will give you an option to go to switchboard, and it goes to open a form or open edit form or open form in the edit mode, open report, design application, exit application. So you have several options. Now what we would like to do, this particular one is want to say product data menu. Want to say this under this one we'll have product data menu, and when you click this one it has to go to a switchboard which we already created. So say there is a product data menu we created, so when you click this button it will go there. So this under the main switchboard it is having product data menu. If you click this one it will go to product data menu sub menu, and again create one more under this. This is a design data menu. Again, we would like to go to switchboard of design data menu. So this is what we created before. It goes to design data menu. Say okay. Again, create a new one. Say this one, preview reports menu. Then go again, we want to go to switchboard. This is switchboard we created. So you have product preview reports menu. Say okay. Now we want to have a command here. Again, another one. Now we go back. Say under this, want to add new. Say we want to exit databases. So you want to close the database, exit databases. And here when you go to switchboard, then you say select here exit application. So this command will close the database. So you have these menus and then exit databases. So let us close this. Let us close this pop-up. Now you will see some changes here. You see there is a item created under tables, switchboard items, and then similarly, if we come to forms, you will find there is a switchboard. These two are the new default switchboard has created. So what we do now, we'll open this switchboard because anything you have to appear on the screen means you have to click on the form. So let us take switchboard form. Let me minimize this navigation button. You see here, this is the main switchboard, and then we have a product data menu, design data menu, and preview reports menu. So if you click this one, it is going to a sub menu. It has no data now. So you just close this one again. It closes the main form. So if you want to open again, go switchboard. Now similarly, if you open this one, it is giving another menu, sub menu, and it has no nothing linked to it. So if you close this one, we'll close this. Okay. Now what we'll do in this, again open. Now we will want to add, when you click this one, we want to add a form to be opened, for example. So under this menu, we will have sub items. That let us do how to do it. You can close this one, go again here, and switchboard manager. Now again, it's opening the same what we have created. Now come to say design menu. Okay. Now open this one. When you open, it is giving you under this switchboard design data menu. Now items, what items you want on this switchboard, you create now. So when you want to create, it is giving you three options here. Okay. Now let us say design data entry. This is the data entry form. So you want to open when this command selected. Suppose you open the form in the edit mode, then what is the form name you have to select here? So let us say you have a design any form related to the design. Okay, so let us say you have design data sheet header new. This is one form. So I will select this form. So what basically we are doing, there is a design data menu. Under the menu, I am giving one option to open a form. I want the command to open a form. So the command is open the form in edit mode. Means you can enter the data, delete the data, and then which form? This is the form. So the name I'm giving design data entry. Say okay. Now also you can add one more form related to the, when you group the forms, different forms. We want to add one more command, so say okay. And then you say here this time design calculations. Okay. Now here also we want to open a form in edit form, for example. So it gives you, when you go here forms, you'll view all the forms list. So I will select this design, form design calculation. Say okay. Now you have here two forms correct. Now I want to add one more under this command. Say I want to go back to main menu. Say I say here go back to main switchboard. I would say okay. Now it is saying command. What is the command? Go back to switchboard. Now which switchboard now we have here? See, we have created all these three switchboards, and this main switchboard is the one I will already default. So I want to go to main switchboard. Say okay. Now we prepared only for the one sub menu. So let us close. Also, let us close this one. Now come back and open the switchboard. You see here, the switchboard has come. Now we created for design data menu. Click this one. So when you create design data menu, what is showing here? Design data entry, design calculations, go back to the menu. So if you say go back, click this one, it goes to go back. Again, come here. Then, for example, you open this one. When you open this one, click this one, it has to open a form. See here, when you click this one, it is opening a form. Now you close this form, so you go to the menu. Okay, again, this one, if you click this one, it is opening a form. So you close this form. If you go back to menu, now we'll do the same for the rest of the things. Okay, let us close this one and go to switchboard here. You see here the switchboard and click on it. Now the switchboard, again, it is giving you the sub menus, that is sub, you can say switchboards. So now let us go to preview reports. So you can double click or edit, say edit. So it is saying switchboard name preview reports menu. Under this, what items you need, you can add here. So go to new and it gives you option. So what is the name says? Design report, let us say. Now, when you click a command, you want a report to be opened. So go to open report. And then when you select this drop down, it gives you what are the reports available. So it has one report, design sheet report. Say okay. Again, this is under this menu, you have one action to be done. So if you want one more action, let us say again, you want another report to be added, say employee report. Just a random name I'm giving. So drop down, what command you the command you want to execute is open report. So the command here, so there is nothing here related to the employee report, but I'll just select any available report. So under this command employee report, it will open a report which we attached here. Say okay. Now you have two reports under this menu. Now let us say when a person comes to this menu, you want to go back to the previous menu. So we can add, say new again, say go to main switchboard. And then what is the command? Go to switchboard. Which switchboard you want to go to? Main switchboard. Say okay. Now, so we did sub menus, sub commands for this preview reports menu. Let us go back and see what happens. And again, go to switchboard here, the form, you will see here, click here. So this we have seen. Now, what we created this one? Preview reports menu. You see here now. So we have a design report. You click this one, it opens the report. You close this one. Again, if you click this one, it gives another report. Okay. Now, if you want to go to main menu, see, you can go to the main menu. Now, let us go to, say, what is left here? Say, product data menu. So there is no data here, right? There is no sub menu. So we can go again back, go to switchboard here in the switchboard tab, say switchboard manager. Now let us go to product data menu. So double click. Then it is saying what items you'd like to add here. So say add new item. Say product data entry. So this I want to enter the data using this command. So which means I need a form. So I'll take a form in edit mode and then choose any form which say product data entry temporary. So this form will take. Say okay. So if somebody comes to this menu, we would like him to go back to the previous menu. So I will add one more command here. Say go to main menu, main switchboard. And then what is the switchboard name? The command will be go to switchboard. So which switchboard we want? We want main switchboard. We want to say okay. Now you have two commands. So let us keep these two commands enough. And then close it. Okay. Now again try what happens. So go to switchboard form in the forms. This is in the forms. So the tables, you close the tables, for example. Now we have the forms. So in the forms, there is switchboard. Oh, let us come here. Product data entry menu, you can go back. Go to design menu, you can go back. You go to preview menu, you can go back. Now we have this one. This is close the database. So why it's closed database is we gave directly the command here. So how we know? You can go back, go to switchboard, and you click on this one. You see exit. So if you go and edit here, what is there in this command? Go and edit here and exit database set. The command is exit application. So already you selected. If you select anything else, it will execute whatever the commands are. So the list of commands are here limited. Like we have the forms and we have report and design application and the exit application, run macro and code. Okay, so this is how you can create a menu. Now close this one. You would like to add, for example, when you open the form, when you open the this form, you want when you open the application, you want to open this form first. How do you set up? You go to file, you go to options, then you say come to current database. Current database, you see here there is a display form. So this one, the display form, if you choose this form, switchboard, come now it is linked to home. So all the forms will show, but what we want is switchboard. So if you have selected the switchboard, it will open the switchboard. So let us close this. Now close the database. So we open again, we'll open the database again. So this is the file we used. Let us see here, did not change. Go to options and then current database. So this is not changed. So let us go to switchboard and say okay. We didn't actually save it, that's why. So we have to restart again. Application, good application, and let us take again the database. So this time it should open a menu. See, this has opened the menu. This way you can create a professional main switchboard. Further, if you want to make a modifications here, you want to put a picture or anything, you can put it here. So you can go to design, you can go to design view, go to here, design view. And if you would like to add any text, any logo, insert any pictures, you can do anything. So you want, you can edit the size, you can change the font size, select it, and then you this you can do changes you'd like to have. So you go to format, I guess if you have to go to format, for example, you want font size 12, and make a bigger one. Now close it, and again you can close and again open the database. So go open, and this is the database. So the font size change. Even if you want to change the colors, you can change the colors. Go to right mouse click here and say design. Say you want this color to be changed, you can change the colors. So you say is the color, for example, you want this color, and choose it. You can close. Again, you can open directly. You can here open the switchboard. You can see the changes. So this is how you can create a switchboard menu.